Jiggle.
Shit's nice.
Thanks, bro. All right, guys. So this is actually my first time driving a GT350. Let's go ahead and get Alex's reaction. Don't touch it.
Never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.
Pull up like right here in the middle. You can be in the.
Hey, where at?
I guess like directly in the middle.
They want you in the middle?
Stories did we go?
4.
I'm sick. The 3 valve has the new lights on there. I honestly, it's crazy. I'm actually gonna go ahead and look at that. I did not notice that when we were over there. What's up, bro? Jiggle.
Shit's nice.
Thanks, bro.
What was this right here? The 14?
11. Just with the conversion. Yeah, I had the conversion taillights.
Is it Helen's or what?
Yeah, it has a smaller pulley and an open air intake, so.
Oh, why'd you open up the hood over there?
Honestly, I don't know.
Can I get a shot of it, bro? I mean, if you don't mind.
What's up?
Can I get a shot of it?
Oh, yeah, sure, bro.
How much power you sending to the wheels?
Right now, probably around 520, 530, since I got the tune, intake, and everything else on it.
Yeah, you smooth. Hell yeah.
Stock's around like 480.
480 stock?
Around there, wheel to wheel. To the crank, it's 550, 560.
Who did your work?
VA, Jose.
Yeah, that's nice, man. Oh yeah, that's a hell of a setup, man.
Oh yeah, dude.
That's a hell of a setup. All you guys, man, the whole squad came out today.
So we're out here enjoying our Dutch bros over here. Didn't know Ruthless Muscle was out here. Got the boy, the Prez over there pulling up. Woo! Homer showing up. Alright guys, so next day here, we're actually heading out to Blackstone right now. It is actually Friday night, so typical, my voice is kind of gone now, but I wanted to show you guys this truck right here, rocking with the LEDs. So that being said, we'll go ahead and see you guys actually on Blackstone. Oh dude, that was a Supra. That was a 2020 Supra.
It's a red Mustang.
Alright guys, so we're actually meeting up with Max, and that's actually him in front of me.
Say hi.
Hi. Hi, YouTube. Hi, Sam.
Max brought me to a bar. I have no idea why. This is a spot he actually picked up to meet up at, but we just don't belong here. Why didn't no one say anything in the fucking group chat?
We did.
Really? I only saw your fucking saying you were coming.
Well, when I say something, it's because we're all going. That's if they say something, it's because we're all going.
Hi.
Yeah, it's 2011 GT500.
Hey, I want to race you, man. What's up?
Oh shit.
I'm stoked. So.
Hey, me and Chris did pretty close.
Same. Yeah.
That'd be cool.
That'd be cool. Yeah. A little Mexico action. I mean, I'm basically stoked.
We're gonna do a little photo shoot. Oh yeah, Alex was telling me where you guys gonna do that at.
There's somewhere where there's a lot of light.
Where are we going?
You know what? Try it. It's all right.
Alright guys, so this is actually my first time driving a GT350. I'm trying to figure out how to... Bro, I never drove this thing. Alright guys, so this feels really weird. The clutch is very soft on this car. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, so honestly, it feels super weird. Alright, braking's hard too. Finding things out as we're going. For the love of God, please don't let me stall. Feels so weird shifting this car. Feels weird. Max is literally switching over and he's gonna drive Abraham's GT500 now after he just drove mine.
Hopefully he doesn't burn the clutch and it comes back in one.
Where are we going? Downtown, right?
Spiral Garage.
Spiral Garage?
Yeah, we're gonna do a little photo shoot.
There's where we went. Yeah.
Whoa, a little sideways actually. So we got Alex up in front right now, and then Abraham's actually leading up the pack right now in Max's GT350. AlexSVT is going to be over here on the left, and then we have the GT500, which is Abraham's, and then mine's going to be right here. So meanwhile, we're over here trying to figure things out. We got Max over here just taking photos on his phone. Said screw it, he's not going to wait for the camera.
I'm a YouTuber, I'm a photographer.
For real.
I'm a camera guy today. Yeah. I went from driver to camera guy.
Hey, he actually drove it, dude. I was like, oh my God.
Car, I'm over here fucking around. I was like, it's fucking quiet. Put it in sport. Yeah, that's
go ahead and get Alex's reaction. I'm gonna be real, this is not what I had planned for tonight. Estrella, how you doing?
You know, it's a one-time occasion, so we'll let it slide. But other than that, yeah, definitely not. I don't know. If they put their hands on Jacob's car, we're screwed.
Yeah.
Take a picture. What car? One by
They're probably going to, so I'm going to tell them. Maybe
Shit, I can't yell. Oh, don't touch it.
Don't touch it. No. Sorry, like this one.
Yeah, disrespecting us.
So it actually never ends. Max is switching cars again with AlexSVT over here. We're about to get ran up on by V6s right now. So as you can see, we're back on Blackstone, and we just got a few runs in right now, and we took the dubs. So good runs. We're gonna go ahead and actually head up to Krispy Kreme and park there and talk about it. Hey, is that AlexSVT? Oh wait, no, that's Max. Fucking get here. Right, we're actually good. It's open, right? Oh yeah. They're pulling someone over right now in front of us.
Why you let him out on your car?
Oh,
Yeah, I said don't touch it.
that shit, can it come off or not?
Yeah, I'm gonna wipe it off right now. The Gion.
Hey, this is the month, yeah.
Oh, was it up? Oh.
Why you? What's wrong?
I said don't touch it.
I
like this.
Yeah, the dash one's cool. It's kind of the same shit though, low key. To be honest.
I think if I would do it, I'd do the dash and center.
Yeah. To be honest, yours kind of tucks cool. Because you can kind of see
Oh yeah.
But I like both. I mean, yours look cool though. You know, I wouldn't change it.
Oh, you get double piece right here to actually cover it. I get it.
So,
Yeah, mine doesn't come with that. So mine only comes with just the top.
oh, for real?
I don't think they offer it. So we just pulled up right now to Denny's, and then we got New Era Muscle over here on this side. Hey, what's up? Bro, I'm sick of shit.
Oh, you fucking sound like shit.
I lost my voice.
Oh, yeah. Damn. You lost more than your voice, homie.
We're all heading out right now. My voice is completely gone at this point. So, is there?
Like this video and subscribe.
Thank you.